Welcome to Amna and Zoha World! Hey friends, welcome back to Amna and Zoha World. Today we're testing your superhero knowledge.
We'll show you one clue for each superhero, and you have 5 seconds to guess before the answer pops up. Let's go! Green Lantern! Batman! Superman! Wonder Woman! Flash! Aquaman! Spider-Man! Iron Man! Thor! Hulk! How many superheroes did you guess right? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you next time. Bye!